Hello and welcome. This educational presentation is brought to you by Sunrise Benefit Advisors, where we help make Medicare information easier to understand. Sunrise Benefit Advisors is led by Rose Lorfils, an insurance professional with experience in the insurance industry since 2011. Our goal is to make complicated insurance information easier to understand. Today, we are focusing on one very specific concern: the Medicare Part B premium. Many people see this amount coming out of their Social Security payment every month and wonder whether there is any legitimate way to get help with that expense. This is an educational presentation. I am not here to pressure you into changing your coverage, and we are not reviewing a specific insurance company or plan today. Instead, I am going to explain what Medicare Part B is, why the premium matters, and two possible paths that may help some Florida residents with this monthly cost. By the end of this presentation, you should understand the difference between state assistance and a Medicare Advantage Part B premium reduction, sometimes called a give-back. You will also know what basic questions need to be answered before either path can be considered. Please remember that eligibility, availability, and plan benefits vary by person and location. The purpose today is to give you clarity and a place to start. Let us begin with the cost. In 2026, the standard Medicare Part B premium is $202.90 per month for most beneficiaries. Some people pay more because of income, and some people may also pay a late enrollment penalty. For many people, the Part B premium is automatically deducted from Social Security. Others receive a Medicare bill and pay it directly. Either way, this is a monthly expense that continues even during months when you do not use a Part B covered service. Now think about what $200 can mean in a household budget. It may be part of the grocery bill, the electric bill, or transportation. It could be a prescription, a credit card payment, or money that could stay in emergency savings. The concern is not only the amount, it is the feeling that there is no choice and nowhere to turn. For someone living on a fixed income, seeing more than $200 removed before the Social Security deposit reaches the bank can feel discouraging. That is why this topic deserves a careful explanation. There may be help, but the kind of help depends on your situation. We do not want to guess. We want to understand the two paths and then determine which one, if either, may apply. Before discussing help with the premium, let us make sure we understand what Medicare Part B is. Medicare Part B is the medical insurance side of Original Medicare. It generally helps cover services from doctors and other healthcare providers. It covers outpatient care, many preventive services, certain home health services, and durable medical equipment, such as walkers or wheelchairs. Part B is important coverage, but it is not free for most people. In addition to the monthly premium, Original Medicare may include a yearly deductible. The monthly premium can be higher for some people based on income. Social Security uses tax information from 2 years earlier to determine if an adjustment applies. If your income later drops because of a qualifying life-changing event, there may be an appeal process with Social Security. For today, the key point is simple. Part B provides important medical coverage, and the monthly premium is usually required. Now we can look at the two possible paths. The first path is assistance through the state of Florida. Medicare savings programs are administered through the state and may help eligible people pay the Part B premium. The second path is a Medicare Advantage plan that includes a Part B premium reduction, commonly called a Part B give-back. These two paths usually do not stack together. If Medicaid or another assistance program is already paying your Part B premium, a give-back generally would not create an additional payment for you. That is one of the most important lessons in this presentation. We first need to know who is currently paying your Part B premium. Are you paying it yourself, or is a state assistance program already paying it for you? That answer points us toward the correct path. The first possible route is a Medicare savings program through the state. Three programs often discussed are QMB, SLMB, and QI. QMB stands for Qualified Medicare Beneficiary. It may help pay the Part B premium, and for Medicare-covered services, may also help with deductibles, coinsurance, and copayments. For 2026, Medicare lists federal monthly income limits of $1,350 for an individual under QMB, $1,616 under SLMB, and $1,816 under QI. However, do not decide that you are ineligible based only on one number you hear in a video. Florida makes the final eligibility decision after an application is reviewed. Florida residents can begin through the state's My Access system or contact the Florida Department of Children and Families for application help. This route is worth exploring when the Part B premium is difficult to afford and the person may meet the state's financial requirements. Even if you are unsure, applying is the way to receive an official determination. The second possible route is a Medicare Advantage Part B giveback. First, what is Medicare Advantage? Medicare Advantage, also known as Part C, is an alternative way to receive Medicare Part A and Part B benefits through a private health plan approved by Medicare. A Part B giveback is a feature offered by some Medicare Advantage plans. The plan pays a portion of the member's Medicare Part B premium to Medicare. You may also hear this called a Part B premium reduction. This is not normally a separate check mailed to the member. If the Part B premium is deducted from Social Security, the deduction may become smaller, which can make the monthly Social Security deposit higher. Giveback amounts vary by plan and county. Some reductions are small, while other plans may reduce a much larger portion of the premium. Availability is not statewide. This is why we teach the concept first. The specific plan, amount, county, and enrollment opportunity are reviewed privately only after the person asks for an appointment. Let us slow down and explain how the reduction may appear. If your Part B premium comes out of Social Security, Medicare normally deducts the premium before your payment reaches you. After a giveback is processed, the Part B deduction may be lower. If you are not receiving Social Security or you pay Medicare directly, the giveback may appear on your Medicare premium bill as a lower amount or a credit. Processing is not always immediate. The reduction can take several months to appear. Once processed, eligible prior months may be credited retroactively. Until the change appears, continue paying the amount shown on your official Medicare bill, or allow the regular deduction to continue. Do not reduce your own payment based on an estimate. Also remember, if Medicaid, QMB, SLMB, QI, or another program is already paying your Part B premium, the plan generally does not send the giveback money somewhere else. The benefit simply may not be applied. Here are 3 simple educational examples. These are not quotes for a real plan. The numbers are only being used to show how the process works. Example 1. Social Security deduction. Imagine the standard Part B premium is $202.90, and a plan includes a $75 monthly giveback. The person may see about $75 more in their deposit. Example 2. Direct Medicare bill. If the hypothetical giveback is $50 per month, the total 3-month reduction would be $150. The reduction would appear on the bill. Example 3. Processing delay. Imagine a plan includes an $80 monthly giveback, and it takes 3 months to appear. Once processed, the person may receive a combined credit of $240. Actual premiums, giveback amounts, timing, availability, and eligibility vary. These examples are designed only to make the 2 payment methods easier to understand. A giveback may be worth reviewing when several basic conditions are present. The person generally needs Medicare Part A and Part B, must live in the service area of a plan that offers the benefit, must be paying the Part B premium personally, and must have a valid special enrollment opportunity to enroll. Some people may have a 5-star special enrollment period available. Others may have a qualifying chronic condition that could create an opportunity to review a chronic condition special needs plan. Those details must be verified. A give back is not automatically the best choice simply because the monthly reduction sounds attractive. The private review is where eligibility and the complete situation are checked first. The first review is simple and focused. We begin with your Florida county and zip code because plan availability is local. We confirm that you have Medicare Parts A and B, ask who currently pays your Medicare Part B premium, and review whether you may qualify for a special enrollment period. Those answers help identify the correct direction: a state assistance application, a Medicare Advantage Giveback review, a chronic special needs plan pathway, or a 5-star opportunity. This educational video does not determine eligibility by itself. It helps you understand what information matters. Here is what happens next. First, you complete the Medicare Review Request form. That form gives me your basic contact information, county, current coverage, and what kind of help you are looking for. Second, we'll review your information and contact you at a time that is convenient for you. Third, if you want to discuss specific Medicare Advantage prescription drug plan options, the appropriate appointment is completed first. Finally, you receive clear next steps. That may be information about applying for state assistance, scheduling a private plan review, or understanding your enrollment options. Submitting the request does not enroll you, change your coverage, or obligate you to select a plan. Before we close, I want you to remember one thing. You do not have to face concerns about your Medicare Part B premium alone. There are 2 possible paths we discussed today. A Florida Medicare Savings Program may help eligible people, or a Medicare Advantage plan with a giveback may be another possibility. The right next step is not automatically changing your insurance. The right next step is finding out which path may apply to your situation. Use the button below this video to complete the Medicare Review Request form. Sunrise Benefit Advisors will review your situation and possible enrollment pathway. Submitting the form does not enroll you in a plan or change your Medicare coverage. It simply gives us a starting point for clear information. Thank you for joining this educational presentation from Sunrise Benefit Advisors. We hope this information has made your options easier to understand, and we look forward to helping you take the next step with confidence.